If you're getting into electronics, there's one thing you need to learn before anything else: the breadboard. It lets you build real working circuits without soldering anything. And if you make a mistake, you just pull the wire out and try again. In this video, I'll show you how a breadboard actually works on the inside. We'll build a circuit together, and at the end, I'll show you a trick on how to wire up any project, even the complicated ones, without having to figure out all the different wiring yourself. This here is a breadboard, and the whole secret is what's underneath these holes. As you can see here, on the inside, the holes are connected in little metal strips. So that means that this row is connected, this row is connected, this row is connected. So if you push two wires in the same row, they will be connected. Exactly like soldering them together, except you can undo it, which is super useful. And if you want to connect these things, the way you do it is by using these jumper cables. These have pins on either side and you can connect those between the rows. Breadboards come in different sizes. Tiny ones like this and bigger ones like this one. The bigger ones have these long strips down the sides, which are called power rails. You can put the plus of your battery on the plus rail and the minus on the minus rail. And now every part of your circuit can grab the power from the side, which is super convenient. One last thing, this gap in the middle, it splits the board in two. So this row is connected and this row is connected, but they're not connected all the way. And that's on purpose. This is where chips and buttons go, so the sides don't get connected to each other. So let's build the simplest circuit there is: a battery powering an LED. So the battery plus goes to the plus rail, the minus goes to the minus rail, and the LED goes here. And one rule you should always remember is that the LED always gets a resistor with it, otherwise it will burn out. So we'll add the resistor here, close the loop, and there it is, light, without any soldering, and this took like 30 seconds. Now let's make it interactive. So remember the gap in the middle that I talked about? The button goes right across it, so that these two sides are connected. So we're gonna wire it into the circuit before the LED, and now when I press the button, the light goes on, and when I release it, the light goes off. So we just built a flashlight basically. So that's the basics, but if you wanna do more, say you want an LED to blink every second, or you want to do something even more complicated, you want to use an ESP32 with a display that shows the time, well, you can go and puzzle how to figure out the wiring hole by hole. But here's the trick that I promised you. If you go to schematik.io and just type in what you want to build, you get this beautiful diagram. And then if you click breadboard, it shows you exactly how to wire it up hole by hole, just like we did today. And there you go, we have a display saying the time. So that's it, you now know how breadboards work. And honestly, this is one of the hardest parts of getting started. So now that you know, go build something and tell me in the comments what you've made. See you in the next one.